Okay, FM 101.7.
Kwame ne quote to be wo ye be wi a memo aboso ama me very powerful quote. Was say one stumble is enough to deface the character of an honorable life. Na memo abaso e wo ho na before that the main first story be a wo kratafe tosu dunso emra. Was he executive director wow.
Thank you. What a surprise. Because the surprise we free here, surprise media is amazing.
It was secret Amara Biho.
Oh,
yeah. Till later on, Robert Fro.
About na be.
And you can't tell me on. Kwame, I'm humbled. Me who the men can cry. Mama birthday, na me bisa me partial surprise we free.
If you secret admirer Biho.
So secret admirer ho. To amboni di ho. Oh, Mr. Musa ni bi. Na me bisa say this is phenomenal na when na a surprise me say me fedodo.
Yeah, me partial if you secret admirer Biho.
Oh. Me pacho kache ne se me da se anope de o ma me birthday na ye kama surprise we dey it's amazing nyame nhra no onse na hwem I'm humbled many ajedodo wa hwe oh akosu agwaboaje oh
sister
yeah
na mama mu saw mu free me wu say Adepa gift shop mu free
me pacho Adepa gift shop ya wo malam and Instagram page and so yeah Adepa gift shop yeah
na say me kwanu so
oh
na
on come you money me fe papa
Mono obi ye de ya ene de ya na obehumu na mo ye ma no.
Oh okay, me pacho ye magic mag. Ye clock. Ye customer
magic de be.
Magic mag.
Come here bi na kuta me. Bi na kuta me. Na ya tro me dia gu hu yi.
Me humu ntam me last
so be in the birthday so surprise packaging so
oh, it's amazing.
But Obi Jan boy.
Oh, Madam once, me patronia mean shamo. It is Isaac, no what to tell me now. Surprise, Nancy, and I know what to tell me, Sano. Ahumachi, I'm at the 4:30 no frame. It just say Isaac, who's you do me? I know a person who said, my
friend. Sexy, no.
Because mon can't secret admire and say me admire pa Nyamin Shrano me appreciate this kindness. I wasn't so expecting this, but it's a good surprise. It's awesome. Extravagant. And Papa, wait no saxophone. Kwame so Rosi Bono Crampo. You are amazing and very talented. Nyamin Shrano.
Or B flat.
B flat na no bono. Kwame they win the music in tea. I'm not surprised.
Okay, B flat no the room.
Why you are very, very talented. Me patro Nyamin Shramo pa mama manopa na akoyie. Baby Nyamin restore me who said the mean sing me where's the cracker Kwame. Me where's the cracker. Just say I go imagine him in tears. So don't know she.
I'm very encomious.
Hey, I mean, we know where the beer and fan describe. They make and say many so papa is something I will never forget. It's amazing. Also, be better who cried to surprise you like this. I mean, a chest and Nipano Pewasam, Nipano door, to go to this extent, cry no Kwame. And I'm also my idea. Most surprising is beautiful. May God bless your business. Now excel from glory to glory. Onyami Shram.
And son I'm over kon here be commercial break near picture.
Mate.
You no better cake no. You better cake no. Okay.
I come in the break break.
Okay, FM 101.7.